Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Nupur here again, and today I am going to bring with you a very beautiful bridal look. Our bride today is wearing a beautiful maroon lehenga. We have made her eyes really special, keeping the face very natural. So her eyes are going to be double cut crease, and we have done this in three different colors, starting with a gold, then going to a maroon, and then a darker shade. And this look is very glamorous. It looks absolutely stunning. I hope you like this look and you will try. If you have any queries regarding the makeup, do write to us. If you like the video and you like the bridal look, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. So let's start with this bridal look now.
After applying the primer, I am now doing the color correction with 303. We will conceal with the TV paint stick from Krylon, and then I am going to blend it well with the beauty blender. I will wet this beauty blender and then use it for a very natural finish. We fix the TV paint stick with a translucent powder. So now you can see all the dark shadows on the face are concealed and the face is looking very even. We start with the eye makeup by starting with filling the eyebrows. I am using the Miniso pencil in dark brown to fill the eyebrows here. So after filling the eyebrows, I will blend it with the spoolie. Now I'll start with the eye makeup by applying the MAC Prep and Prime Eye Primer. The primer will smoothen out the skin of the eyes and it will provide a nice base for the eyeshadow. We start by creating the contour with a brown color. I'm doing the brown contouring here now. The motion of the brush is circular round motions. It is very necessary to blend in the circular round small circular motion for a nice blended finish. After this, I have taken a small blending brush and applying the dark brown color on the contour area. Now blending both the light and the dark colors together. In these kind of makeups, a nice blended effect looks very well, so we need to spend a lot of time in blending. Now I am applying an even darker shade so that it gives a nice dramatic effect. Once I finish that, I am now creating the cut crease with my Maybelline liquid concealer. I've taken a flat brush to create this cut crease. I'm now creating the outline for my outer wing liner, and since this is a double crease makeup, so I'm making another crease for the half crease with the brown pencil. Now I'm filling the outer edge with the black shadow. I've taken a black color eyeshadow and filling the outer wing area. Now we are going to apply the dark maroon color and blend it well with the black color. In the innermost corner, I am going to use a gold shimmer powder. So we first do the gold, then the maroon, and then the black color, and blend all the three colors very well. Nice big lashes look very nice with this kind of makeup. So I'm putting big lashes and applying my black liner. The liner we can use can be a cake liner or a gel liner or just any liquid liner. So now I'm going to blend my false and natural eyelashes. In the lower lid, I'll start by applying the brown powder and blend it well. Then I'll take the black and blend it very near the lash line. I apply a black kajal also. In Indian weddings, black kajal looks very nice and it completes the bridal look. So I feel sometimes it's very nice to apply a black kajal for especially traditional looks. So after completing my eye makeup, I'm just applying my red color lipstick, little red, maroon red. This is a Chambord liquid lipstick which stays for a very long time and is very good for Indian brides especially. We are finishing the makeup now with our liquid foundation. I am using the MAC liquid foundation with my sponge. This sponge is very soft and I can blend it very well. The liquid foundation gives a very nice smooth finish to the face and also it lasts for a long time. The finish is very natural since we are using only that much product which is required, keeping the natural finish in mind. We fix the foundation with our translucent powder and apply the blusher, contour and highlighter now.